Hello dear friends, welcome to Shiksha Mantra, and today we have a very important news for our students, specifically the students and parents of class 12 CBSE exam. Yes dear friends, we are so very worried about what will happen for our class 12 CBSE exam, and finally some news has come out from the Central Ministry of Education. So our Central Education Minister Ramesh Pokriwal Nishank sir has finally declared something. According to him, as he has informed, the exam will be there. It has been decided. There was a high level meeting with the states, and finally it has been decided that the exam will be conducted. Yes dear friends, I am repeating, the exam will be conducted, but the date and the pattern how the exam will be has yet not finalized. So let's see what he has said.
शिक्षा का भी टेंशन बच्चों के लिए सिरदर्द बन गया है। इसी दुविधा को दूर करने के लिए शिक्षा मंत्री सामने आए। सीबीएसई की 12वीं की परीक्षा पर सस्पेंस खत्म किया। सभी राज्यों के साथ केंद्र सरकार की एक हाई लेवल मीटिंग हुई, जिसके बाद ये फैसला किया गया कि 12वीं की परीक्षाएं होंगी, लेकिन ये परीक्षा कब होगी, परीक्षा का पैटर्न क्या होगा, ये फैसला बाद में किया जाएगा।
सीबीएसई बोर्ड की 12वीं की परीक्षा होगी या नहीं, इस सवाल से पर्दा उठ गया है। 12वीं की परीक्षा होगी और ये परीक्षा कब होगी, इसकी तारीख 1 जून को केंद्रीय शिक्षा मंत्री रमेश पोखरियाल निशंक बताएंगे।
मेरे प्रिय छात्र छात्राओं, जो आज बैठक हुई है उसमें कुछ राज्यों ने कुछ समय मांगा है और सुझाव देने के लिए, और उनको कहा गया है कि 25 मई तक वो अपने सुझाव दे देंगे। हम 1 जून तक इन परिस्थितियों का आंकलन करेंगे। जो भी परिस्थितियां होंगी वो आपकी सुरक्षा और आपका भविष्य, हमारे सामने दोनों चीजें हैं, सुरक्षा पहले और उसके बाद आपका भविष्य। इन दोनों को देख करके हम फिर 1 जून को आगे का आपको अवगत कराएंगे जो भी परिस्थितियां होंगी।
So what has come out that on 25th of May the states will send their suggestions, what they think about exam and its pattern and the ways it will be taken, because in this COVID condition it's a concern for each and every state that how to conduct this, and on the other hand the conditions of the states are very much different from each other. So it's really difficult to find out a single method, a single pattern or something that's unique for the country, because the cases and the conditions are very much different from each other. We can't make the conditions of Delhi and Maharashtra and Bengal and Kerala the same. There's so very differences, and the states will send their suggestions by 25th, and by 1st June we will have a clear guidance regarding what will happen of our class 12 exam. But one point is clear, that's what you have to stay prepared for, that the exam will be conducted. And next, the best part to discuss here is about the pattern of the exam, how it will be taken, and what could have been your pattern. So here 2 different proposals has been given from the part of central government. The first proposal is they will conduct the test, the exam for major subjects, very selective major subjects. Suppose there are 200 subjects overall, and they will have the exam for 20 major subjects, and on the basis of the marks of those 20 major subjects, the marks for the other subjects will be decided. So this is the first point, first proposal. And the second proposal is, here the whole pattern is being changed. So the exam will be conducted in your home institutions, that is it will be conducted in your school, and on the other hand there will also be objective type question papers. All the questions will be objective, MCQ and SAQ. And then there's another proposal in this proposal B, That is, the exam copies will be checked in your school. You don't have to go anywhere. And on the other hand, it has also been decided, actually it's not decided, but it's proposed that the students will be given freedom to select the subject of their own choice. So what will happen? What will be the final outcome for this meeting? We'll learn it on 1st June, and whenever we have an update, we'll share it with our students on this YouTube channel, Shiksha Mantra. So stay tuned with Shiksha Mantra. We are returning very soon with some good news. Until then, bye bye. Happy learning.